Crunch Fat Clean friends, did you know you can recycle your Scrub Daddy scrubbers? What? Slap those bad boys in a bag and send them off to get recycled. Your wallet and Mother Earth will thank you. Check out the information in the rest of my video.
The journey from foam to fuel. With your help, a well-worn Scrub Daddy can fulfill an afterlife of environmental greatness. We'll even pay you to participate. Here's how it works. You send your old scrubber on a trip through the mail back to us. In return, receive a $2 Smile Shop credit for each qualifying submission. We bale your scrubber with others and ship the bales to an industrial recycling facility. Here, the foam is mixed with other non-hazardous materials and fed into a shredder. Don't worry, they won't feel a thing. Next, a large magnet extracts any unwanted metal debris, and what remains gets converted into a lower waste, lower emission, alternative engineered fuel. The fuel is used to power cement kilns, which produce the concrete that paves the roads we drive on. The next time you're ready to throw your Scrub Daddy in the trash, stop. Send it full circle instead by joining our Recycling Rewards program and turn foam into fuel.
Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. So feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think, or if you have any questions, or what else do you want to know about eco cleaning. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, love, follow along on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my website, TikTok, Clapper, and Instagram. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Stay crunchy, fat, clean. Peace.